To create a NAT network for the VMs, uh, just go ahead and open VirtualBox. Go to File and then Preferences. Go to Network and click on this icon here. You should create it already. If you want to change the name of the network, you can click and then go to Edit and change the name right here. I'm gonna leave this name. So now you want to what you want to do is to add the NAT for each single VM. So just go ahead and click on PLC, go to Settings, then Network, and then at this box here select NAT network and make sure you have the network you just created right here. And then you just click just make sure that everything's right here. Yes. So just click OK. So you go and repeat the same steps for the HMI. Go to Network, change to NAT network, click OK. And then the last one for Kali Linux, do the same, change the NAT network, and click OK. Now, what we want to do is we want to test if the NAT network is working and also if you're able to ping all the machines. So just go ahead and open the PLC, also the HMI. And the Kali. So here's the PLC. So first, uh, just check if it's connecting to the internet. So just open Firefox. You can go ahead and do the same for Kali. Yeah, Kali is working fine. So you see it's connecting to the internet. Firefox, I think it's still open. Yes, and then let me open here in the HMI. So I'll just test one website here, youtube.com. So since Kali is working while the other ones are loading, uh, open the terminal and then type IPA. So then you see your IP address over here. Make sure you take a note of that. Uh, and also, oh, before that, let's see what are the other. Still trying to connect into Facebook. YouTube.com. Yeah, but it's connecting. It's just it's slow. I'm gonna quit and so look for the terminal here. Open the terminal. Then type the same IPA. Make sure you take a note of that. So now you know the IP of this machine and the IP for the Kali. Now we just have to figure out the IP for this machine here. So I'm gonna close this. It's connecting to the internet, so it's fine. Remind me later, and then do the same here. Go to terminal and type IPA. So now one is 4, the other one is 0.4, the other one is 0.5, and another one 0.15. So if I ping 10.0.2.4, not the 4, the 5, yeah, it's pinging, so it's fine. And then dot 15, it's also ping. So this machine is okay. This one 2.4, it is okay, it's pinging. And then dot ping dot 15. Yes, it's also good. And then ping 10.0.2.4. Five. Yep. So as you can see, all of the machines are seeing each other, which is good. And that should be enough for this tutorial. Thank you.